Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share a haul from Scrap Boutique, which is a store here in Australia. It's an online store. I'll leave a link down below for you to check it out. So what I got from there is the Fresh Bouquet collection by Crepe Paper, which is a new one of their collections. I've been waiting to pick this collection up for a couple of months now, but I made a promise to myself that I wasn't going to buy it until I used the Sunny Days collection, and now it is completely used up, so I'm going to get into it. I knew that I was going to love this collection because the color scheme is it's my perfect collection to me. I don't actually think I'll ever love a collection more than this. I love the colors, and I took this out before I filmed because I wanted to see what it looked like, and I am seriously in love. I love absolutely everything. I love the florals. I love the little bunny. She's so cute. I love the banner. I love the camera. There is not a piece on this that I don't love, and I want to hoard this whole thing. I want 10 of these. I want 10 of the chipboard stickers. I want 10 of everything. It's so pretty. Like, amazing floral, amazing floral. The bird's so cute, the little hummingbird. I love it when they put the phrase stickers down the bottom. They're so good, and I like how they've got not as many like massive like words that are hard to use. So I adore this. So this is the 6x12 cardstock stickers. Then I picked up the Ephemera pack, which is a bit hard to see, and I'm actually going to take it out to look at it myself. I'm going to wait. They had some clearance stuff. So this is a Pebbles collection. I don't actually know what the name is, but this is some 6x12 cardstock stickers. So this is the A side. I just kind of like the whimsicalness of it, and like the trees are really cute. And although it does feel kind of wintry, like there's a snow angel there and then he's making a snowman and all of that, there's still a lot that I can use because we don't have white Christmases here in Australia. And I love the stockings because I do stockings in my family, so I love having some stockings there. So I thought this was really cute, and I think it was about $3, which in Australia, $3 for some cardstock stickers is a really good deal. These are the Holly Jolly collection chipboard stickers. I just thought these were really cute, and I have some paper from this collection, so I picked up the chipboard as well. I really like this one because to me this doesn't feel wintry, it's just Christmassy. Like, I love that reindeer, she's so cute, which her horns all decked out, and I also just really like the simplicity of the Santa, so I picked that up. This is the chipboard, and it is amazing. I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. Everything is just perfect on this. I love the little word banners. I love that vintage camera. I love the tags, the bunny. I don't know how I'm going to use her. Like, she's so cute. I'm going to find it so hard to use her. And then the little birdies, they're so cute. The florals, amazing. That love word's also stunning. I love everything about this entire collection. There's nothing that I don't love. It's honestly my most favorite collection ever. It's amazing. I have nothing else to say besides it's amazing. They also just sent this really thick chipboard, so I'm going to use this to make an album with. If you'd like to see any of the projects that I make with this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So another thing that I love about this collection that I didn't actually notice until I got it is that all of the papers, you actually get 2 of them, which I know they used to do that a while ago, but I haven't seen it in collections in a long time. So this one, you actually get 2 of each sheet of paper. And I love every single sheet. I didn't see one where I was like, I don't love it. So I'm going to give you a flick through. So we'll do it this way. Keep in mind that this is obviously sideways. I love this muted blue. It's so pretty. That one's really gorgeous. I think that would be really nice for a layout. Just a really nice pink grid. I love blue and pink mixed together, and I still have some of the bows left from Sunny Days, so this will work really well with this page. This one here is gorgeous too. I just love how it has a lot of nice simple ones. I love this bunny one. She's so cute. I'll probably fussy cut some of these out. This one's just a nice background one. And as always, they've got to have some sort of calendar. So there's this one. Love this one. I just love how subtle everything is. Everything feels so subtle. And to me, the best collection is subtle papers. This looks very similar to the, is it Sweet Story one? Just more of a muted one, but I quite like that because I like more muted colours. It's definitely my favourite. This one's just a nice, nice grid paper and then some bows, which is so pretty. I love the pink that is featuring throughout this. Like this pink here is so pretty, and this like powder blue is so gorgeous. I love it. And there's this one. I really like that. The simplicity of that like nice sketchy look flower is so nice. Love that one. Even the construction strips at the top are so pretty. Like they're gonna be so fun to make little bellies with. I love this paper. I love every sheet of paper, so having 2 of everything, this is so nice too. This would work with heritage as well, this page. So having 2 of everything, at least I think there's 2 of everything, is going to be fun. Or maybe it's just the pages are so similar. It looks like there's not. Oh, no, there is. Yeah, there is. Okay. This one, I really like this. This one would be really cool to fussy cut. So you could cut all of these little flowers out. And then here's the cut apart, which I'll turn this one to the front so you can see the cut apart. These ones are so pretty, and that camera is just gorgeous. I love the tags as well, like they're so nice. And then you've got that really cute floral at the top. And then, like I said, it all just repeats, so it's all the same pages again, which is really quite nice because you can obviously reuse the paper, which is good for me because with Sunny Days there was lots of things that I absolutely adored, but there was only one sheet, so I couldn't reuse it. I'm going to take a look at the ephemera now. So there's 40 pieces of ephemera. Can you take, oh, you can take it out that way, okay. Okay, so this is what's in the smaller one. So there's this nice acetate piece, a really gorgeous butterfly, happy together, celebrate, forever, the little things you do, just some background pieces here. This one says remember this day. These are to pull apart tickets, which is cute. The first amazing floral that I'm going to hoard forever until I get another packet. I'm definitely going to be buying some more of this collection. I love it. A little grateful tag. A bookcase, which is really cute. I'll just move those over to the side for now. And this one here says, these are the days I will remember forever. That's a really big stamp. But that'll be nice on like a rosette, and then another butterfly. So they're really cute. So there is this really big acetate flower, but it's still really cute. A hummingbird, she's beautiful. A nice floral, a frame, some tags. I really like that, that's cute. That'd be nice in Project Life. Some tags. Another frame there, so I'll just move those ones out of the way. And there's this one. This one I'll probably use as a shaker. Another flag. So these are obviously the really big ones, which sometimes can be quite hard to use, but I really do love them. They're so cute. There's another acetate piece, another tag, and then another floral. These florals are beautiful. And then just another one of these, which these big ones I tend to use as shakers and then have them as bases for cards, which are really fun to make. If you'd be interested in to see some of those, just leave a comment. Okay, so this was my haul from Scrap Boutique. I hope you enjoyed watching. I can't wait to start making with the Fresh Bouquet collection. Stay tuned to see what I make with it. If you liked the video, subscribe and leave a like. Bye!